we're going to make our own Keysmart. First things first, take a steel piece. Well, this is already smoothed out, as you can see. It's pretty smooth. I like it. Second, take a screw, put it in. As you see, you got the screws, and over here, take the keys, put these in. As you see, yep. Now this is great. Got my keys in. Well, that's great. I have like this little plywood piece over here. I need to sand this up a little bit. Okay, now it's great, as you can see. Okay, I got my piece. Now take it and put it over here. Like as you can see, the keys, the plywood piece. Take your bolt. Don't know if you can see this. Take your bolt. Whoa. Okay. Take your bolt. Tighten it up. And there you have it. Your own homemade Keysmart. There you go. It's like a take it. Open the keys up like this. Oh, my bad. Yep, there you go. Open the keys up. Open your locks at ease. Keep going clockwise. Keep going clockwise, as you see. Take any keys you like. Second, put the other one back. Put everything in. When you feel the nut is a little bit slow, just take the piece and plywood, just move it around. It will get tight again. Oh, there you go. Got yourself a nice little Keysmart. Oh. Oh, I like it. There you go. Set your key in. Pick it up. Open your locks, and it's tight too, as you can see. It's tight as hell. Well, work gets the work done. Close it back up, like this. Put it in, and put it in your pocket. Well guys, thanks for watching.